I can show you how to make a do-it-yourself, all-natural, no chemical toilet bowl cleaner. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends, today we're going to be making an all-natural, no chemical toilet bowl cleaner. It's like a mini bath bomb for your toilet, but we'll just be using only a couple of the ingredients that goes in bath bombs. First thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding 1 cup baking soda. Now baking soda eliminates stains as baking soda is a mild abrasive. So we'll be using 1 cup of baking soda. And stir that up just a little bit, break up the clumps. And then next we're going to be using 1/2 cup citric acid. Citric acid can remove hard water stains, rust, calcium deposits, and lime. So we'll dump in 1/2 cup citric acid and give it a stir, break up the clumps. Now citric acid and baking soda along with liquid is what activates and makes it foam, like when you put a bath bomb in the water. So the same thing goes for when you put it in the toilet. It is going to hit the water and it's going to start foaming. Next we'll be using 40 drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil prevents mold and mildew. It has disinfecting and deodorizing and sanitizing properties, and it freshens the bowl. Now you could probably use a different essential oil if you like a different scent, but it will not have the cleaning properties as the tea tree oil does. So we'll add 40 drops. And I'm going to go ahead and stir as I'm dropping in just so it doesn't activate. And stir it up really well so it's fully incorporated, so it has the scent throughout. And next I'm going to take a spray bottle with white vinegar in it. Some recipes call for vinegar and hydrogen peroxide, but mixing them together can make peracetic acid, which is unstable. So to be safe for you and for me, I wouldn't recommend using both of them. I'm going to use the white vinegar today because the hydrogen peroxide also has a foaming tendency, and I think it would actually have too much foam in there to actually make a disc. So we are going to go ahead and try the vinegar. So what you want to do, just so it does not activate too soon, is you're going to spray and then stir, spray, then stir as quickly as possible. Vinegar is very acidic and it'll cut through the scum, the hard water stain, so it is very good for cleaning. And we want to make sure we go ahead and spray this enough so it has a consistency of wet sand. Okay, it does have the consistency of wet sand. We will go ahead and put them in a silicone mold and let them set for 24 hours. I'll go ahead and fill this up. Okay, they're in the silicone. Made 9 discs. You want to make sure they're nice and pressed down flat. All right, we'll see the finished product tomorrow. Okay, so I'm back after 24 hours with my toilet bowl cleaner. Just pop it out, and there you have it. Baking soda, citric acid, tea tree oil, and white vinegar. You'll want to keep them in a airtight container or a Ziploc bag so that they will stay fresh and keep their efficiency. So let's go check it out, shall we? Okay, so I have my toilet here. I didn't clean it this week just for this demonstration. This is all natural, no chemicals. You can use it as maintenance or you can use it for a full-out cleaner. So let's see how well it works. And it's foaming pretty good. And what you do is you put 1 or 2 of these in your toilet depending on the size of the disc. And after it's done foaming, you let it sit for a few minutes. And then you go ahead and use your toilet brush and clean it like you normally would. This is your bath bomb for your toilet. Okay, and I'll be back in a few minutes and scrub the toilet and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so it has set a couple of minutes. For maintenance, you would only need it to set for a couple of minutes. If you have harder stains, you can let that set for 20 to 30 minutes just so it can have time to work on those stains. Let's go ahead and see how well it cleans. Okay, looks like it did really good. Of course, this toilet wasn't very dirty, but it will be good for maintenance for me, and I am sure for, since it has the vinegar in it, it will be good for any hard water stains as well. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, doesn't matter. All are welcome. Comments and suggestions are very much appreciated. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.